sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my little eyelash hack that I use to make it look like I'm wearing eyelash extensions. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve that, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a video, and let's get right into the video. So for today's video, we are going to need a spoolie. We're going to need some gel. I mean, if you have eyelash gel, that would be so much better, but because you know it's going to be safer. But I have eco styling gel, and the last thing we're gonna need is some handy dandy mascara. So what I like to do first is just comb my eyelashes out like this.
Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy.
Then I like to go in with some eco styling gel. So I'll literally just go a little dot like this.
Too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Okay, so I like to just do the same thing, comb through my eyelashes. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see the difference so far. So I like to just let that air dry a little. And then we go with the mascara. Wiggle.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
Okay, so this is the difference so far.
You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
So now y'all see the difference. Right now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and show you guys the finished product.
Told me about all your insecurities, for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You play me. You my heart before this can't be our first time. We my heart before this version.
Okay guys, this is a finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a like, a comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video. Please leave a video suggestion down in the comment section so I know exactly what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.